Hi, I'm Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show, and I'm showing you part 3 of where I fixed the area that had the tear, the canvas tear. And so it was in this area, and it makes it look like there's a little texture, but it's not something anybody would even be able to notice. I did connect these two shapes and kind of had to mix the light blue because if you notice on, I don't want to make you dizzy, on this side, it was a little different gray because everything's lighter, going to darker on the right. And so I'm going to kind of back up and show you. This is the left side of the painting going over to the right. So it went from lighter to darker values of the colors, and I signed it. So I am done with it. And you can see these areas over here, but nobody would even know. Now I will sell it at a discounted price, but nobody would even know that it was fixed. And so I'm going to kind of go in close. The paints are a little wet and it doesn't look like you could tell anything in this area. And so I just want you to see it. And I'll show some pictures on my Instagram, which is at naomi.butler. I'll show the full image and some close-ups, and there you go. But there is the whole painting now, and it is finished. I will do the sides. I'll even do a video about the sides. I just wanted you to see it's got lots of bright colors, lots of really pretty colors in it. And thought it was kind of a good idea to do a gradation of light to dark. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.